slide will be our days of the week slide. I can see my days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you see the little pictures that are the same as our Schoology pages? Did you notice I used a same beginning sound to help us remember? Monkey Monday, Tiger Tuesday, Whale Wednesday, Three-Toed Sloth Thursday, and Frog Friday. We're going to think about our day of the week, and we're going to move our rectangle over to tell about what day of the week it is. If today is Monday, I'm going to move it over. If today was Tuesday, I would cover up Tuesday. How I can find my day of the week is I can look back at my calendar. Remember, if it was number one was on Tuesday. Whatever day of the week it is, it goes under the name of the day of the week on our calendar. So all the Sundays are in this line. All the Mondays are in this line. All the Tuesdays are in this column. The Wednesdays are in this column. Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. So if you can't remember what day of the week it is, you can look back to where you put your circle and find the day of the week. When you've done that, slide your rectangle over to whatever day of the week it is.